Hey, my name's Carrie. I'm here for my second time, 2014 Goodwood. We're at Sierra for the all mountain testing. I have the Capita Birds of a Feather, one of my favorite. Definitely a winner for sure. Twin tip shape. We got the Kevlar and carbon fiber stringers on the side to add a little more pop. They've added some more fiberglass between the bindings you can bash those board slides real easy. It's gonna add some stability and strength. It's camber between the feet, flat kick from the bindings out. This board, when I was riding it, you could take it in the park. It's not super aggressive, it's not too stiff, it's not too loose. Super fun all mountain board. You can like power through the turns super easy, but then also have the stability and like looseness on the jumps to make it fun. Yeah, it's one of my favorite boards. It's fun. Birds of a Feather, Capita, 2014 Goodwood board winner for sure. Yeah.